Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In a short tutorial I'm going to show you how you can print your presentations in Google Slides really quickly, so drop a like and now let us get started. Alright, so let's assume I would like to print that presentation here I created for demonstration purposes. So what you want to do, guys, is simply click on File in the top left corner of your open presentation and click on Print or Print Preview if you'd like to see the preview first, but I would like to print it directly, so let me click on Print or use the shortcut Ctrl+P on your keyboard. Wait for the preview to be generated. That may take a few moments according to this information here, so wait for it. And after a moment, provided of course your printer is plugged or linked to your computer or connected to your computer, you will see that option here to the right. So what you want to do, guys, is go through a short customization. For example, you may scroll or browse through your presentation to see if it looks, aligns to your expectations. And if that's the case, simply select your output file format, which in this case here would be, for example, save as PDF, and then select how many pages you would like to print, like for example all or only even pages, odd pages, or a custom selection of pages. And in the last step also decide how many pages per sheet, for example on A4 paper or A3 or A5, you would like to print. Like for example, let me go with 1 and confirm by clicking on Save here. And after that, the given file will be saved on your computer or device as a PDF file, and that's basically it. And after that, your printer will start printing the given document or presentation, depending of course on your printer type or model. And that's all to it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.